Because our life needs security. Because our life needs simplicity with elegance. Because our life needs freedom and comfort. TOSTEM is the perfect solution for anyone who treasures aesthetic in living. TOSTEM is one of the global brands under Lixil Corporation, world's top housing and building material manufacturer, and also home of most liable brands like Groher, American Standard, and Enax. Emerged in Japan, TOSTEM playing its role in various housing product development, manufacturing, and marketing, such as aluminum window and door, entrance door, and exterior products to provide solution for living that meets consumers' needs and satisfaction every day. TOSTEM has been recognized by top real estate developer and homeowner around the world as the best brand for its incomparable quality and unique design, which push us to continuously and firmly grow for more than half-century and counting. TOSTEM owns 22 manufacturing facilities, 17 located in Japan, China, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and Vietnam. 6 out of 22 manufacturing facilities of TOSTEM run extrusion lines, with a total supply of more than 260,000 tons per year. TOSTEM Thailand was established in 1987, with the largest factory in Asia. The plant covers an area of 591,332 square meters, with a maximum production capacity of 70,000 tons per year. We have more than 7,000 experienced employees, and we are a registered manufacturer of International Quality Control, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and JIS H4100, JIS H8602 standards. TOSTEM products produced in Thailand are trusted and exported to consumers worldwide. TOSTEM has become the top leader in aluminum window and door innovation and consumers' favorite for on and on. That's because all TOSTEM products are developed by fully integrated production process. Advantage of TOSTEM pre-engineered system means every housing development project will have consistent quality standard, window and door, where any housing project development can have high-quality window and door system by using only a single screwdriver. TOSTEM and our housing system is committed to deliver excellence in every production process. Casting, extrusion, surfacing, anodized finish, fabrication, assembly, packing. In our test center, certified by globally recognized standards, to ensure that our product will deliver satisfaction to all our customers. TOSTEM put needs and function as priority, which reflects on our thoughtful, functional, and modern, appealing design. User-friendly, suitable for all ages, to satisfy the needs of present and future customers in all targets. That's why we are the top world's fully integrated aluminum window and door manufacturer in the market. Our dedication to invent and design a product that provides durability, appearance, and safety for any building. Become one of house owners around the globe who trust in TOSTEM products by choosing TOSTEM for your house or housing development project to build living aesthetic with quality and elegance together. TOSTEM, deliver comfort for all.